Hi, my name is Amanda Mercado, and I am the Virtual Content Specialist working with the Division of Multilingual Learners and the Enhanced Lessons for the Arriba la Lectura curriculum. Today, I am going to present to you an overview of this Grade 2, Week 1, Day 3, Lesson 3B. So today, like I said, I am going to give you an overview of this lesson. This will be part 1 in a series of 3 videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the different components of this lesson, as well as show you how you can access the text via Arriba la Lectura. In video 2, I'm going to model and provide you with a student-facing video. And in part number 3, I'm going to show you how you could add Nearpod to your lesson. So this lesson came directly from the elementary school drive. As you can see, this is in view mode only, so we always have to make a copy and rename it. And I'm going to close out the original. And by making a copy, you are not losing any access to the links or any of the resources that are embedded in the slideshow. So as always, you will see the unit name, el título, pregunta de enfoque, y el día in the teacher-facing slides that are provided in the front. Now, there is a lesson 3, and then there is 3B. So it is very important, as you can see here, that you teach the lessons following this sequence. And when you present this lesson to the students, you should remove all of the teacher-facing slides. So now you begin with the student-facing slides here. And we have the unit question. And this section of the lesson is where I'm going to model for you this protocol here of introducing the vocabulary word. And you'll see that there are directions found below here. And there are also links to the Arriba la Lectura. So now if you select this link right here, sometimes you'll see that it will say access denied. What you need to do is go back to your Teach Hub page and then select Arriba la Lectura. And now I'm going to go back to the link, press it again, and now you're going to see that you have access. It does take a few seconds to download, but if you keep scrolling through material, you'll see that the text is here. So this is one way that you could present the text to the students. I wanted to show you another way that you can present the text. So now you go back to your home page, and remember we selected Arriba la Lectura to open the links. So now I'm going to go back to this page, and now I'm going to select Discover. When you select Discover, whatever programs you have selected will be found here in this drop-down menu. So you can see here, I'm already in Arriba la Lectura, Module 1. And now you can select Mi Libro. Again, it takes a few seconds. And now you're going to see additional resources. So again, we have a quote. We have the video that is embedded in Module 1 in the PowerPoint, I believe, Day 1 and Day 2. And now you have vocabulary practice. So this is nice because the students can select the vocabulary word and they will see it. So Arriba la Lectura has a nice feature where if you select more, you could assign this activity to your Google Classroom. So if you have students who you feel are struggling with the vocabulary, you could assign this activity particularly to those students or to the entire class. And moving forward, you will see that you have access to the text as well. But what this looks different than when we access the text in this PDF type version. So what I like about this is you can also assign this and share this with your Google Classroom. You can have the text
Lectura breve.
And also you can have highlighting done. So this is another nice feature that can be found. So this is Conoce a Bruce. So this is for Gastón et Tiburon. And now if you see here, read along, highlight off. So you can toggle that on, and this is an introduction to the author. And then you could assign Gastón el Tiburón with the read along highlight on, with the audio on, so that the students have access to this read aloud. So again, just giving you different options that you could use when teaching this lesson. So now let's go back to the lesson. And as you see here, the yellow slides are Introducción y Modelar. So this is where the teacher is going to be modeling, and the teacher-facing notes are found on the bottom. And now we have Práctica Guiada. So this is the we do part of the lesson where the teacher will be engaging the students, again, with this vocabulary activity. And I'm going to show you how you can enhance this section of the lesson using Nearpod. And then again, we have funcionó, vocabulary, trabajo independiente, y el resumen del cuento. So this lesson is heavy on the vocabulary as well as using context clues to figure out unknown vocabulary words. So I look forward to showing you and modeling for you how you can teach this section of the lesson in video 2, and in video 3 I will show you how you could access, or how the students could access the material and type their responses in, also use a draw it tool using Nearpod. So thank you for watching.